friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I am here to announce my special live classes on unacademy. Now I host free special live classes on unacademy, so come and revise company law with me. If you are a CS executive student and still not sure if you are totally prepared for company law or not, then I would highly suggest you to come and join my free live classes so that you can come, prepare and revise at the same time, because I make sure that I am explaining the topics in detail and I also conduct polls. They're just like a test, they're just like revision for all of you. So join my classes for free and I'm sure that you will love them. I'm here to announce another 2 special live classes on unacademy that will be on 10th and 11th November. On 10th November, we will be discussing the rights and duties of the directors and the loan to directors, that is in section 185. So I will be explaining what are the rights and duties of the directors and also explaining section 185, that is loans to directors, in detail. So make sure that you join the session sharp at 7 p.m. On 11th, we will be discussing disclosures by the director and register of directors and KMP. So we will be discussing the topics related to disclosure by director of his interest and also registers of directors and KMP in detail. Alongside that, I make sure that I conduct lots of polls so that you learn and revise at the same point of time. I make sure you prepare there and revise there as well. Both the classes will be sharp at 7 p.m. The class links to both the classes will be in the description box below so that you can go and enroll now. I would request you all to join both the sessions. It will be very, very beneficial to you. Even if you are preparing, even if you are revising, for both the things, the sessions will be useful to you. Other than that, you can also check the new batches that are being launched for CSJAS students. So if you are a CSJAS student, unacademy is offering new victory batches for all of you for January 2022 attempt. Go and check the batches and enroll yourself. You can also check the other batches for CA, CS, CMA and enroll yourself and get subscription for yourself. And while getting subscription, make sure you use my code CSJAS to avail flat 10% discount. You could use my code for CSJAS for any CA course, for any CS course or even for any CMA course to avail flat 10% discount. So looking forward to see you all on 10th and 11th November sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock the free live classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.